is the time we should be thinking about how we might protect the moon from future prospectors, scientific or commercial.
The Outer Space Treaty actually thinks about forward contamination, what you might bring with you, hitchhikers that are terrestrial, and back contamination, what you might bring back if you have a round-trip mission, because we don't want to bring anything to Earth that could become an invasive species or some sort of pest.
How did the Apollo missions then protect themselves?
The Apollo missions had actually quite a bit in the way of planetary protection, but mostly for the samples that were brought back. They actually used glove boxes. The astronauts themselves were in quarantine for almost a month, and tests were done from Apollo 11, the time that we first landed on the moon, through Apollo 14, asking the question, could there be life up there, and was there a problem with astronauts being infected by anything? After that number of missions and a lot of careful study, it was determined that no, there's no moon life up there. So planetary protection for the humans was no longer necessary after Apollo 14, but we still do maintain quarantine and containment for the materials that are brought back, because you also don't want to contaminate the samples.